Hello everyone, welcome back to Express VTU for all. In this video, we will understand multivalued dependency, fourth normal form and the fifth normal form with example. So this is a very important question. Let's start with multivalued dependency, also called as MVD. A multivalued dependency occurs when one attribute determines multiple independent values of the another attribute. It is denoted as X determine multiple values of Y. This situation arises when two or more independent multivalued attributes exist in the same relation. For example, if an employee has multiple projects and multiple dependents, both independent of each other, then MVD occurs. Now let's move to the fourth normal form. Before going to the fourth normal form, we have to understand the types of MVD. First one is trivial MVD and second one is non-trivial MVD. Non-trivial MVD means it causes redundancy and repetition of the data. Now move to our fourth normal form, which or 4NF. A relation is in 4NF if for every non-trivial multivalued dependency, the left-hand side must be a super key. Let's see an example. Here we are considering one example. Consider a relation employee with attributes employee name, project name and department name. Here employee name determines multiple P name values and also multiple department values. This causes redundancy because combination of projects and dependent values are the repeated. To solve this, we decompose the relation into two tables. First is employee project with employee name and the project name, and second one is employee dependent with the employee name and the department name. Now the redundancy is moved and the relation is in 4NF. Now let's move to the fifth NF, which is fifth normal form. So a relation is in 5NF if every non-trivial joint dependency is implied by the candidate's key. This means the relation cannot be further decomposed without the losing information. Fifth normal form deals with the joint dependency and ensures that no suspicious tuples are generated. Let's take an example for the better understanding. Here we are considering a relation supply with attributes supplier name, part name and the project name. Sometimes there is a hidden redundancy due to relationship among these attributes. To remove this, we decompose the relation into three tables. First table is first supply and the part, second one is supplier and the project, and third one is part and the project. This ensures lossless join and remove redundancy. So in this conclusion, MVD leads to redundancy, 4NF remove multivalued dependency and the 5NF remove joint dependency. So like that you have to explain in the examination to get the full marks. And you have to consider each example for each topic like 4NF or 5NF. So if you want these notes, the link of the WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel is given in the description box. You go and check it from there. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe Express VTU for all.